Bonjour à tous, my name is Lillian and today I will be teaching you some simple French phrases that would make you sound like a pro. Now let's dive straight into the video. So number one, we have Je peux pas venir. Je peux pas venir. It means I can't come, I can't make it. I can't make it, I'm so sorry. I can't make it. Je suis désolée, je peux pas venir. I can make it. I'm so sorry. Je peux pas venir. I can make it. Okay, numéro 2. We have Je suis en route. Je suis en route. J'arrive. J'arrive. I'm on my way. I am coming. I'm on my way. J'arrive. Je suis en route. J'arrive. J'arrive. Je suis désolée, j'arrive, je suis en route. Okay, so number 3, we have quite enough. I know you like this one and you would want this one to stick because we often say it a lot. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So yeah, what's up? Quite enough. Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Quite enough. Remember, I told you in my previous video that the French people like talking very fast. So, what enough? Quoi de neuf? And the fourth one is ça fait longtemps. Ça fait longtemps. Oui, ça fait longtemps. It's been a while. It's been a while. Or it means long time no see. Long time no see. Ça fait longtemps. Okay, the next one is ça marche. Oui, ça marche. That works. That can work. Ça marche. Or okay. Ça marche. Ça marche. Ça marche. It means okay or that works. Yeah, that works. And the next one is je suis pas loin. Je suis pas loin. Oui, je suis pas loin. It means I'm not so far away. I'm not far. I'm not far. Je suis pas loin. Je suis pas loin. Je viens. Okay, we're moving to the next one, which is number 7, which says bonne chance. Bonne chance. Bonne chance. Bonne chance. It means good luck. It means good luck. Bonne chance. It means good luck. And we have the next one, which is number 8, which is bon rétablissement. Bon rétablissement. Bon rétablissement. This, you say this when you're writing a letter. This is what you put on the letter if you're writing to a sick person on a card or a letter to a sick person who is recovering. It means quick recovery. It means quick recovery or get well soon. It means get well soon. That's what this means. Bon rétablissement. Bon rétablissement. Bon rétablissement. It means get well soon. The next one is non, c'est faux. C'est faux. Martin still. C'est faux. It means it's crazy. It's crazy. Come on. It's mad. Like, it's mad. It's so mad. It's crazy. C'est faux. No, c'est faux. Okay, and we have the 10th one, which is je suis très occupé. Je suis très occupé. I am so busy. I am busy. Je suis très occupé. And you can also say j'ai occupé. Je suis très occupé. And we have the last one, which is c'est trop cher. C'est trop cher. C'est trop cher. It's very expensive. It's too expensive. It's very expensive. C'est trop cher. Okay, so I would like you to pause the videos and listen to each of the words one after the other, practice it, and don't forget to write it down so you can always go back to it every time. And I want you to comment your favorite phrase in the comment section below. Okay, we've come to the end of this class. I would like you to comment, share, and turn on your notification button so that when I post the next video, you will be notified. Bye. See you soon.